Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can block messages from a specific sender on Proton Mail. So let us get started and guide you through this. Head over to Proton Mail and log into your account, access your inbox, and what you want to do is go through your inbox and find an email from the sender you would like to block the messages from. So let me go with that user or sender here just for the sake of the tutorial. Click into one email of the given user. And what you want to do next is click on the given sender's email address here at the top. And that is going to open up that menu here. So simply select block messages from the sender. That is going to give you this notification. So confirm by block here or cancel if you don't want to do this. If you decide to block the given sender, guys, you will not receive any messages or emails in the future anymore from that user. Also, all new emails will be automatically and permanently deleted. You may manage, for example, blocked senders by clicking on that button here and, for example, unblock them later if they are on that list. So guys, that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.